Okay, so this video is to show you how to do the conversion of your wallet balance in Qubit Life. So first of all, we just need to log in, and you'll get the worldwide education MLM platform update. And you just click on update now. You then accept the terms and conditions, and it'll immediately show you what your personal statistics are. It tells you when you joined. It tells you what your licenses are and what they have accumulated, what you've withdrawn, and then it tells you also what percentage you've actually withdrawn from the system. In this case, it's 3%. Now, anybody who has not recovered their full investment back, that's 100% of what they had purchased the education license, they will be compensated. In this case, this person is getting 13,890 ESIs, that's the Educational Store Index, and 9 gift lots. Those are lots in the venture fund. And then on top of that, 9,260 QDT. Now we know that the QDT is going to be valued at $1, and so that is some significant compensation for not getting the full investment back. So we go then to the next step, and now it tells you the conversion from the wallet. Now there was no funds in the wallet in this particular case, but there was $500 of USD that can be converted or can be withdrawn, which is a bonus or a reward. So there was nothing here, but if you, for example, had some figures in the ESI or the lots or QDT, you can decide where you would like to allocate those funds. And those funds will then go to, for example, QDT. You can put everything in there, or you can split it between the QDT and the lots by putting an amount in there. Or if you wanted to put any ESI, you could also put it in there. So you convert whatever they've given you from this, and then you agree. And then you can say, I do not use Telegram, or I've already subscribed to the Qubit Life Telegram bot. In this case, I'm going to say, I do not use Telegram. And then we go to the next step. And it now tells you this is what you have received. You've got 13,890 ESI. That's an education index. You have 9.26 gift lots, which is the venture fund investments, and you have 9,260 QDT. You then proceed, and it'll take you back to your website, and then you can actually check, for example, go to your menu, you go to QDT just to check that the coins are in your wallet, and there you'll see the 9,260 QDT, which is in your wallet. So you know that you have now received the QDT. You then go to the menu again and click on Venture Fund. And here it'll take you to the lots. And you can see the 9 gift lots are available here. And you there can decide where you would like to spend them. Already the first few venture funds have been sold out for the first round. So there's none left of the network travel. There's none left on the Basecamp, and there's none left on the coin chain place. The U World, there are some lots left, and on the X game chain and the Magic Lotto, they are sold out. So effectively, there's only one place that you can actually purchase at the moment at $100. In future, when the second round starts, these ones, the price will have gone up. So those people who bought early will be able to make a profit already. So let's just have a look and say we're going to buy some lots in the U World. So we say buy now, and it'll say, how do you want to pay? You then click on your gift lots, and you can say, I want to have 2 gift lots in this particular venture fund, U World. It'll be $200. You say buy now, and this will then show you that you've made the purchase. And if you scroll up, you will see that this is what you've actually bought. You bought 2 lots in U World on the 3rd of June. So it's a very simple process. You're converting your your lots into almost like shares in a particular venture fund. Now that'll appreciate over time. There'll be 15 rounds, and each round it'll go up by at least 10%. So we're looking at generating a good profit on the lots that we purchased. However, if you want to be a venture capitalist and you want to hold on to the lots for longer, you're going to get a much greater return on your investment. And that's really how we accumulate wealth. So that's how simple the process is. And you can go back and start the process as soon as you can, because on the 20th of June, on the 10th of June, the price will go up in terms of what you can do the conversion on. And it'll appreciate on the 20th and the 30th of June. So the sooner you do it, the better. And the sooner you purchase the lots in the venture fund, the better as well, because you will get a good return. And that's all there is to it.